Hey, do you own a Saladmaster EOC Skillet? Then come closer because this video is for you. In this video, I will be showing you how to set your electric oil core skillet, temperature and time. Step 1. Connect the core to power. The core then shows the lowest temperature, which is 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Note that when the temperature is blinking, as seen in this video, your cooking temperature is not yet set. For step 2, set the desired temperature by pressing down on the upper arrow button. Wait a few seconds or press the temperature button again for the temperature to set in. You'll know that when the red dot begins to blink. Step 3. Set the cook time. You can select your desired temperature, then press the time button down until you reach a desired cook time. Then press the time button again until the red dot begins to blink. Cook time will start counting down and turn off once it is complete. This allows you to set your food to cook and do other things, or you can even go grocery shopping and come back to a delicious meal. Step 4. How to use the rice option. Once temperature is set to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, press the arrow down button once to set the rice 1 option. Press the arrow down button twice to set to rice 2 option. Again, once set, the timer counts down and returns back to the starting temperature of 150 degrees once cooking is completed. This gives you the ease of putting your food in your skillet, setting the temperature, setting the time, and doing other things. I hope this video has been helpful. Let me know in the comment section what you think and what more you'd like to see. Bye.